going to rabbit on too much about this, but today I decided to build this. This is a tremolo circuit. It uses 4 transistors, a load of resistors and a bunch of capacitors, and it sounds brilliant. I found this circuit online, and you've got different rates of tremolo. There's like and in fact you can have it going really, really, really slow, like. And then you've got this knob here, which is your kind of depth control, so it's there, you're fairly, and it just gradually brings it in, but I'll just speed it back up. And I just think it's a really great pedal, so I'm going to link the circuit link in the description. The guy who designed it on his blog spot, he did have a few problems with it originally, but then he updated the circuit diagram, and I built it exactly as it's on there, and it all works fine. You might just see in there, if I zoom the camera in just a little bit, you'll see there's a big chunky lump of resistor there. That needed a 330k resistor. So what I did was I got 3 1 meg resistors and twisted them together. And there as well, there's another resistor that I made up from 2 joined together and 2 down there. So yeah, sounds great.